Well, welcome to another edition of Rockstar Academy with my very, very special guest, Jeannie.
Woohoo! Rock on, Professor B! Woohoo! Yeah!
What in the world is all this?
Well, I'm a rock star! Woohoo!
It's not
you
that...
told me this is what we would be doing.
Not that kind of rock, this kind of rock.
You meant, real rocks, didn't you? Do something.
Okay, well, we actually have got some wonderful viewer email that have rock-related questions, and I thought we would take one together. Want to help me?
That's cool.
All right, so here we go. So Mr. Anonymous writes, I have 76 rocks. I want to collect 10 more. How many rocks will I have then?
Let's find out, baby.
So what I want us to do is I want us to use base 10 blocks. So base 10 blocks, remember, if you want to represent 76,
I dig some bass.
I think you do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the longs because each long represents 10. So these are actually groups of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 rock.
70 rock.
There we go.
Yeah.
So those represent the 10s, but now we have to represent the 6 because that's the 70, and now we need 6. And so I just bring in 6 little cubes, and they together, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That represents, in fact, 76. So there's the 76.
Got it.
Now, what does it mean to add 10 more? That's the question. Well, all we have to do there is just throw another long onto this because one long equals 10.
It's an encore.
Exactly, an encore of one of the longs. Exactly. So I'm just going to slide this over, and we're going to now throw in another boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba bang, 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 bang. All right. And now what happens? We had 76, and now how many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s, and 8 10s is 80.
80
And so
rock.
we have 80 and the 6, and so now we see 86. And what's interesting about this, and that's, by the way, the answer that we're going to tell, that in fact he will now have 86 rocks. But the interesting thing is we had 76 to begin with, and when we add 10 more, when we look at 10 more, look, the only, Jeannie, the only difference is that that first digit changes. You see, it goes from a 7 all the way up to an 8. So 76, 86, that's 10 more.
Cool.
Well, we hope this answers the question for Mr. Anonymous.
It rocks. He's got a lot of rocks. You know what? But what I really, really want to do
What's that?
is rock. Come on, Professor
All
Bernard.
right,
Let's rock.
let's do it. Come on. Wait a second.
Oh, groovy shades. Yeah. Move that head. Woo.
Keep rocking on with math. We'll see you soon.